Hi students, myself Subair Ahmad. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about DVOR. DVOR stands for Doppler VHF Omnidirectional Range. It is a navigational standard recommended by ICAO. ICAO is the International Organization for Controlling of Civil Aviation. That is, ICAO stands for International Civil Aviation Organization, and it is an international standard for short and medium range of aircraft guidance. DVOR is a developed version of conventional VOR. That is VHF omnidirectional range. The DVOR operate in the range of VHF frequency, and it have a transmission range of 300 kilometer. Basically, DVOR or any VOR gives three type of information. The first one is azimuth angle, or the azimuth indication of aircraft position, which is the relative position of aircraft with the direction of aircraft with respect to magnetic north. That is, this is north, we can denote like this, and this is east. Suppose aircraft is moving like this, then this angle is azimuth angle. That is the relative angle of direction of aircraft with magnetic north. Okay, let us erase this. Okay. Then the second type of information is the bearing. Bearing indicates whether the aircraft is flying on the left side or right side of prescribed course. That means it is a prescribed path. Aircraft is moving from one point to another point, and it has to move on a prescribed path. Then it will reach the destination. So at the time of observation, whether the aircraft is moving on the right side or left side, this information also given by DVOR system. Then the third type of information is whether the aircraft is moving from or towards the DVOR equipment. Usually the DVOR equipment is placed along with an airport, so it gives information that whether aircraft is moving away or moving towards to the airport. Okay. Then in this screen you can see a meter, which is an DVOR indicator on cockpit of aircraft. The pilot can observe this. The plus sign at the mid of this meter is the current position of aircraft, and on the line you can see north, west, south, etc. It is the current direction or relative angle with the north. This information can be read by pilot in the cockpit. Accordingly, he can navigate. Okay. Then DVOR has a cone of silence. Cone of silence is a region where the DVOR cannot detect aircraft. So you can see in the figure this aircraft which can be detected by DVOR. As this aircraft is moving towards the left side, when it reaches this circle, then this aircraft cannot be detected. This cone is known as cone of silence. Cone of silence is usually a plus minus 30 degree vertical elevation. In this region, aircraft cannot be identified by DVOR. This region is known as cone of silence. Let us write this. Okay. Let's move on. Then operational use of DVOR.